Do you need help?
Yeah. No.
So we just did our Easter egg hunt outside. Now Curtis is opening his eggs to see what kind of treats he got. Ooh, this one sounds like a good one. What's in there?
A sucky soup.
Chocolate chip.
Yeah. Oh, this is soup. Chunky. I like it, chocolate soup.
You like chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Can you open another egg?
That's on it.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, is there lots of chocolate chips in that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the special egg. You got the special egg, had lots of chocolate chips inside.
Yeah.
Mmm. Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter. Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye. Well, I'm going to keep recording so that
Bye-bye.
people can see you opening your eggs.
Why?
Because they want to see you. Grandma and Grandpa want to see you, and Aunt Chelsea. Great-Grandma and Grandpa.
No.
Be nice to Bigsby, please. You're funny.
I am.
You are funny.
No.
Are you silly?
No. It's gone.
It's all gone?
Yeah.
You gonna open another one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Second.
Maybe. You have to open them and find out.
It's gone.
Yeah, you ate all your chocolate chip.
I hear something.
I hear something too. What is it?
Piece of candy.
Ooh. Someone's gonna get all sugared up.
Me?
Yeah, you.
What's that eating?
I don't know.
Oh, they're just eating marbles.
Are you hungry for lunch?
It's not to eat it.
There's nothing in it?
It's gone.
Yeah, you ate it. What about the next one?
Huh? Huh? What's it got on it? Next one. How about this?
No.
Oh! See? How about this one?